Good afternoon students, welcome to BBPS online class. In my previous video, I had explained chapter 11 Queen of the World. In this video, I am going to explain exercise and question answer of this chapter. So let's start. Read these lines and answer the questions with reference to contest. I shall not allow it. I am your captain. You are traitors. Who said these words to whom? Hernando said these words to the revolting sailors who became traitors. Come to the question B. What will the speaker not allow? The speaker said he would not allow the crew to revolt. C. What had the listeners done that the speaker called them traitors? The sailors had taken over the ship, imprisoned the captain Hernando, and stolen from the treasure on the ship. Come to the second sentence. When this happens, turn back and sail away, for if you lock eyes with even one of Laurana's men, all the water on board your ship will turn salty. Question A. What did the speaker mean by when this happens? By when this happens, the speaker means when anyone hears Laurana's crew crying for water. Question B. Who were Laurana's men? Laurana's men were the sailors who had turned into traitors. C. Why would the water turn salty? The water would turn salty so that no one could drink it. Come to the exercise C. Answer the following. Answer these questions briefly. Question 1. Why had the king asked Hernando to go on a voyage? The king asked Hernando to go on a voyage to travel to the Caribbean and the Americas and return with riches for Madrid. Question 2. What encouraged Hernando to go on the voyage? His loyalty to the king and love of Laurana encouraged Hernando to go on the voyage. 3. Describe the condition of the ship when it set sail for home after a few months. The condition of the ship after a few months when it set sail for home was bad. It had ridden into a storm. 4. Come to the question 4. Why did the sailors revolt against their captain? Answer. The sailors revolted against their captain because they felt that while the captain and king enjoyed luxuries, they had to live in poverty. They also realized that while they were carrying the world's riches back to Spain, they were being paid only 300 pesos. Now, question 5. How did Hernando try to convince the sailors not to revolt? Answer. Hernando tried to convince the sailors not to revolt by reminding them of their duty to God and the king. Last question 6. How was Hernando ill treated by the sailors? How did Hernando take his revenge? Answer. Hernando was ill treated by the sailors by storming into his cabin, beating him and lashing him to the foremast with rough ropes. They kept him tied there and denied him food and water. Hernando got his revenge by cursing the ship. La Reina split from the center and sank. Nothing and no one survived. Okay class, thank you.